Well, it is day 3 with the chickens. And as you can see, one has already figured out how to get up on top of the brooder heater. Pretty soon they'll be up there bouncing all around. It's kind of fun to watch. We're starting to notice, I'll get in here really close to see if you can tell. We're starting to see their feathers form on their wings. That's the first place that they'll get their feathers. And they're all starting to get them. Just a couple of days ago, those were just fluffy little fur balls, and now they're starting to feather up a little bit. Oh, another one figured it out. They're super fun. The one thing that I failed to mention the other day is if you have chickens, when you pick them up after you've touched them, you need to make sure that you wash your hands. I mean, it's pretty common sense, but it's kind of important for their safety and health and for yours too. It'll be a fun day when they learn to fly and they're flying all over. All right, we'll check in with them in a little while.